How to get the passport appointment online. Go to DFA website. Scroll down and read the terms and conditions. Once you are done, leave a check on the box. Then click Start Individual Appointment. If you see this note, just click OK. And now you may start filling out the form. Site location, date and time, personal information, family information, application information, and contact information. Get the reference number and pay the passport processing fee. You can pay through the following payment centers: Bayad Center, Easy Pay, Pera Hub, Robinson's Business Center and Department Store, Walter Moore Department Store, 7-Eleven, USSC Western Union, Villarica Pawn Shop. That's all! Do you want to know what you are required to bring to your passport appointment? Stay tuned on our next informative video. Bye! Thank you for watching!